Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English practice podcast.
We're happy you're here. Today, we will talk about weekend plans.
Yes, talking about weekend plans is very common in English conversations.
Before we start, please like and subscribe so you don't miss new lessons.
Great. Let's practice together. Listen, discuss, and then listen again.
Anna, what are your weekend plans?
This weekend, I will relax at home and watch movies.
Nice. I will meet my friends and play football.
That sounds fun. Let's learn some useful phrases. Phrase 1. What are your weekend plans? You can ask this to friends or coworkers. Example, what are your weekend plans, Ben?
Good. Next phrase, I will relax at home. You can change the activity. Examples, I will study at home. I will visit my parents. I will go shopping.
Another useful phrase, that sounds fun. We say this when we like someone's plan. Example, I will go hiking. That sounds fun.
Let's give more real examples.
My weekend plan is simple. I will clean my room and cook dinner.
My plan is easy too. I will sleep late and play games.
Great. Simple sentences are perfect for beginners.
Let's listen again. Repeat after us if you can.
What are your weekend plans?
I will relax at home.
I will meet my friends.
That sounds fun.
Good job. You're improving already.
Short sentences help you speak with confidence.
Practice every day, even for 5 minutes.
Today we learned, what are your weekend plans? I will relax at home. I will meet my friends. That sounds fun.
Try using these sentences with friends or family.
And now, our question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what are your weekend plans?
Thanks for listening.
See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing English.